Namaskaram, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Moksha trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance from the Mokshpata board every week. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the reading for the week of 4th August to 10th August 2025 in relation to health. The reading comes on a positive box of good tendency. We should cultivate healthy habits for physical well-being by consuming healthy, nutritious diets, keeping ourselves hydrated, taking meals at regular times, avoiding eating junk food, and joining some fitness programs like yoga, pranayam, or gym. We need to prioritize self-care routine to maintain overall wellness. For mental wellness, we should do meditation, breathing exercises, and try to keep ourselves stress-free. If you ignore self-care, it will result in burnout and reduced well-being, and avoiding exercises leads to health problems and low energy. The board guides us to embrace good habits and right practices for a healthy body and mind. The board cautions against stress-related health issues like hypertension, and for that it is advised to practice heart-centered activities like meditation and yoga, and to seek therapy or counseling to address emotional wounds. Self-care routines need to be on our priority list. We can also practice gratitude and forgiveness for a calm and peaceful mind. The board guides us to be proactive about our own health and prioritize self-care routine for energy maintenance and ensure adequate rest and relaxation too. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaste Divine Soul, I'm Alpa, your Mokshpata expert and guide here with you for the period of 4th August to 10th August 2025 with the guidance from the Mokshpata board on the subject of relationships. This week's energy is asking us to be mindful in our relationships. It is a time to reflect, to repair and to reconnect. If there have been misunderstandings or differences of opinion, take them positively. Do not let ego or assumptions create further distance. Instead, ask yourself where you might have gone wrong and take steps to mend it with love and clarity. Be watchful in how you behave with your loved ones, friends, clients, and colleagues. Your reactions can either deepen the bonds or create unnecessary conflict, especially in new relationships. Be careful, one wrong word or actions might create long-term confusions or unresolved issues. This is not the time to test or stretch your relationships. Instead, it is the time to maintain them with calmness, patience, and inner awareness. Practice self-introspections. Ask yourself, am I listening enough? Am I reacting or responding? Let this week become a space for healing and gentle connection. Your awareness and stillness will decide the depth of your bonds. When your heart is open, even silence becomes a message. Let love speak through your presence. Stay rooted in kindness and trust that harmony will naturally follow. Thank you, and wishing you a week filled with peace, understanding, and loving connections.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
डॉक्टर मोना दीक्षित। मोक्षपटम एनालिसिस के अंतर्गत पंच पोर्टल में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। अगस्त महीने के इस सप्ताह के अंतर्गत स्पिरिचुअलिटी के अंतर्गत आपका मैसेज। हम सब मनुष्य हैं, आध्यात्मिकता की ओर हमारा रुझान होना अति स्वाभाविक है। इस माह आपके लिए मैसेज है, आप अपने चारों ओर सर्कुलेटिंग मोड में रहें, डीपर नॉलेज को एनहांस करें। आप कोई नई मोडालिटी को अर्जित कर सकते हैं, आप किसी विशेष ज्ञान को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए जरूरत है आपको नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम की, क्योंकि आपके मन और बॉडी को आपको अलाइन रखना अति आवश्यक है। आप डीपर से डीपर नॉलेज पाएंगे। आप किसी अनुभवी मेंटोर अथवा प्रशिक्षित व्यक्ति के पास से कुछ अच्छा ज्ञान नॉलेज प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। आप अपने चारों ओर डीपली देखें, चारों ओर के सारे संदेशों को सोचे समझे परखें। खास करके वो ईश्वरीय ज्ञान जो आप तक पहुंचना चाहता है उसे सहजता से स्वीकार करें। आवश्यक है इसके लिए आप अपना भोजन संतुलित रखें, जूसी फल खाएं, जूस ज्यादा से ज्यादा पिए, अपने आप को चारों ओर खुले विचारों के द्वारा देखें। किस तरह अपनी चारों ओर की आंखें खुली रखें। जो ज्ञान आपको मिल रहा है, जो मिलने वाला है, कोई नई दिशा या नई कोई भी बात आप सीख रहे हैं, कोई नई मोडालिटी को आप अपना रहे हैं या एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, उसे एक्सप्लोर होने दीजिए। धन्यवाद।
Namaste, Lakshita here. Welcome to the week's collective Mokshapatam guidance for business and profession, covering the period from August 4th to August 10th. In today's fast-moving world, simply having knowledge or talent is not enough to grow in your profession or business. What truly sets you apart are the habits and attitudes you bring to your work. Don't wait for instructions, take initiative. For example, in a meeting, share a new idea before being asked. It shows leadership and responsibility. Industries are constantly evolving. If you are in digital marketing, for instance, staying updated with new tools and trends through courses, podcasts, or articles keeps you competitive. Simple acts like warmly greeting your team, offering help, or following up politely with a client go a long way. They create trust and mutual respect. Your connections can open doors to new projects, job opportunities, and collaborations. Nurturing them strengthens your professional journey. This week's guidance encourages you to cultivate these habits with mindfulness and consistency. Wishing you a successful and fulfilling week ahead. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी। I am a life coach, a divination expert and energy therapist. Today I am going to give you the guidance for your finances from August 4th to August 10th according to Mokshpat board. आय के अनुसार ये सप्ताह आपके लिए अनुकूल रहेगा। जो भी वाइज डिसीजंस आपने पास्ट में लिए थे रिगार्डिंग योर फाइनेंसेस, उन सभी का रिजल्ट आपको इस वीक देखने को मिलेगा। आय की दृष्टि से आप अपने आप को स्वतंत्र अनुभव करेंगे, मीनिंग फ्रीडम टू डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू विद योर फाइनेंसेस। लेकिन सुझाव आपके लिए ये है कि अपने हार्ड अर्न्ड मनी को प्रोडक्टिव कामों में इन्वेस्ट करें। मेक वाइज प्रोडक्टिव प्लान्स इन अ बैलेंस्ड वे। साथ ही अपनी आय का कुछ हिस्सा अपने अपनों, उनकी इच्छाओं, उनके सपनों पर भी खर्च करें। आखिरकार उस आय को प्राप्त करने में उन सभी का महत्वपूर्ण योगदान है। गो फॉर सम आउटिंग और any kind of entertainment with your loved ones. This will rejuvenate and refresh you with a new spark towards your financial goals. आपकी आय में दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी वृद्धि होती रहे और आप उसका आनंद अपने अपनों के साथ लेते रहें। इसी शुभ इच्छा के साथ विदा लेती हूँ। मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ। टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड। बाय।
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.